Hello there and welcome back to Celerity Technology. Today we're going to be going over a couple of new updates regarding the RGB DAC. Currently this version is actually in production. I submitted the order about 2 weeks ago, and hopefully by the 27th they will be done with production and mailing it to me. While they're actually handling not only the PCB, manufacturing the PCB, but they're also doing picking and placing all the surface mounted devices and these three headers, Molex SL Corsair type and the floppy drive power. They're going to be sent to me, and from there I will be soldering a header that's similar to this, which is going to be for the 12 volt, and a header like this, which is for the 5 volt thermal take RGB fittings. They're all going to be black. There's not going to be any in white for this run, and believe it or not, one reason why it took this long is because finding headers similar to this that fit better was a bit difficult. So I have some over here, and as you can see, these are a bit smaller. And let me show if you can see it. So this is a bit smaller. It fits tighter with these couplers. I was just having some concerns that this style was a little bit too loose, and just finding the data sheets and finding a source for the headers was being a challenge. I mean, I could get these from DigiKey, but you're talking about like buck 25 a piece or whatever, and $6-7, and just those makes BOM or bill of materials a little bit much, especially if you know how much you're trying to sell these for, and with all the other components. So the boards have actually been produced, and they're working on setting up the pick and place machine to assemble these boards. And once they'll come to me, they'll actually come like this, but with none of the 6 headers. And I'm going to actually be soldering this style and these. So these are 2 digital headers that are similar style, but they have a little spacer in there that prevents you from reversing polarity. They're going to come as just the bare board. I'm working with 2 companies, Mod by Mod and also Pirate Dog Tech on eBay, and they're going to be my 2 resellers. I'm personally not going to be reselling these, just because I don't have the time and logistics to handle that. So I'm going to be having them resell the boards for me. They're going to be also having cable sets for people that need it. One reason I'm using the floppy drive connector is because most power supplies come with it still, believe it or not. All my modular sets come with it, but if you want a nice braided one, or if you need one, they should be able to supply that for you. Also, they'll be supplying a Corsair male-to-male adapter and also a cable for the RGB, but that's all separate. So they're handle the pricing on that. I'm just selling the bare boards. I just want to make sure that you guys have a way to use it. So that's kind of that. And once I get them in, I'll just have soldered on, and I'll be sending it to them for resale. I guess if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. We also have a Discord. I'll put a link to that as well, and feel free to subscribe. But chances are, if you're watching this, you're probably already subscribed and interested to see what we have done with this DAC. So even who knows, they might even get it to me sooner. But I'll do another update and let people know when they're up for sale, but hopefully maybe a week or 2. Well, thank you very much, and have a wonderful day. Bye.